In this question, it is given to us that the number of numbers strictly between 5000 and 10,000 can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition is. It is clear that the number which is lying strictly between 5000 and 10,000 is sure to be a 4-digit number, and because our number should be more than 5000, it means this place can be filled by only 5, 7 or 9. That is, this place can be filled in 3 ways, and because repetition is not allowed, after we have filled this place, we have remaining 4 digits, and out of those 4 digits I have to choose any 3 and place them in these places. Choosing any 3 out of them and placing them here, this can be done in 4C3 into 3 fertile, and this into, for first place number of ways are 3, therefore 3 into 4C3 into 3 fertile, that is 3 into 4 into 3 into 2, this is equal to 72. Hence I can say fourth choice is correct choice.